49 degrees and foggy this morning. I didn't do the math. 49 minus 32 is 17, right? Yeah. 49. Yeah. Divided by 9 is 1.8 times 5 is... What is that? Hold on. Come here. What is this? It's weird looking. Looks like it's rotten poop. Very seed-filled poop. Anyway, 1.8 times 5 is 9 degrees centigrade. Last night we watched... After dinner we watched Elf. Mom said for me to decide, and I love that movie. Especially the ending. Her buddy essentially saves Christmas. Then I puttered around. I watched a few streams. Myth Brigade was on doing some cyberpunk. Trooper SJP was in the Wandering GM. Bella, what are you doing? Good girl. The Wandering GM's Warhammer 40k stream. I kind of want to watch some of the his videos of those, so I subscribed and followed him. Got to bed around 11:30. Had a few weird dreams, but there's not enough that I remember that makes any sense to just talk about it. It would be completely out of context. Cristi, what are you doing? Up at 7:30. Here we are. Foggy. And now I've lost her. There she is. There she is. Deer in the fog. Afternoon walk. Hope, where are you? There you are. 65 degrees in December, mid to late December. That is 18 degrees centigrade, I believe. I did not do much today. I worked on the Dreamlands game tonight, made sure everything was ready for that, ready enough. And then I got lazy and did not mess around with FearJet because I need to edit that all the character sheets. I need to edit the information enough to present it to people. Instead, I read a little bit. I watched Pine is in Pain is a YouTube channel, and she's doing the I can't remember the name of it. It's a podcast, horror podcast that got real popular. They made a role-playing game out of it. I'll try to remember to put the name in the video right down below here somewhere. She has been running that and putting the audio of it up on YouTube, which is very cool. There goes the deer. I was too slow to really get that. I'm pushing wrong buttons here. I feel like I'm playing a video game. Alright, come on you. Mom and I also worked on stew. So we're having stew for supper. It's simmering right now. So beef stew. That's about it.